Hey everybody, Alan here with Big Al's Fishing Addiction. How's everyone doing today? Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for all the service members out there. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for everything you do. I'm up here at American Fork Canyon, gonna do some stream fishing, try to get some rainbows, brown trout. Let's get after it. Thanks so much for watching. So this is crazy. So the road's still all ruined when we had that runoff. They still never fixed it. It used to be one of my favorite spots to come to. Definitely changed the river a lot. It used to be a really good spot. It used to be really deep right here. It's all changed though. Let's see if we can get one. Oh, there's a fish right there. There's a fish. I see you. I see you. Oh, that's a big one too. That's a big one for here. Woohoo! Look at that. First one. All right. That is a nice one for here. Look at that beautiful bow. Let's get down to the water so we can get them off nicely. Woohoo! Thank you. Beautiful bow. Need access to the water. Get down here. Don't fall. Get you some water, buddy. Get you some water. There you go. Thank you, thank you. Beautiful, beautiful bow. Alright, just caught my first one. Beautiful bow, especially for here. This is most of the fish here are really small. Already got my hands wet. Let's let you go. It's definitely lively. Thank you. A little nudge. That's a nice bow. Huh? There he goes. Facing back upstream again. Beautiful. That's a nice, good sized bow for here. I'm actually surprised. We used to catch really big ones here back when I was a teenager, but they're definitely small now. Awesome. Thank you, buddy. One more right there. Switch spots. It's the nice thing about river fishing is why I like it. Kind of like bass fishing. You got to work for them. You got to find them, figure out where the little holes are, pockets, where they're going to be. That's what's nice about river fishing. Let's go find another spot. Another one. All right, another beautiful rainbow. Thank you, buddy. All right, let's let you go. All right, another beautiful bow. There you go, there you go. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna go facing right back upstream again. Waiting for more food. They camouflage so well. I seen a few when I was coming down here. It kind of moved around a little bit real quick. Yeah, he's already camouflaged. I see him. I just found the money spot. This is one of my kids' favorite spots. Super deep right here. I just seen like 5 fish swim over there. Oh, I just had a hit. Missed it. Alright, first brown. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, little buddy. Thank you. Alright. First brown. Just a little guy, but so pretty. Got my hands wet. Let you go. Thank you. Oh, that's dark. Look how dark that bow is. How dark it is. Pretty colors. Super dark. Thank you. So dark. Look how dark it is. Alright. Really dark colors on this bow. Thank you very much. Let's let you go. Alright, thank you. Alright. Another pretty brown. Thank you, buddy. Another pretty little brown. Thank you. Alright. They're little, but they're fun. Alright, thank you. Awesome. We're good to go. I got my hands wet. That water's freezing. Thank you so much. I need to get some, bring my waders, some boots. I can get down in the water. Oh, there's one right there. I seen you eat it. I seen you eat it. I seen you eat it. That was awesome. I watched you eat it. Thank you, buddy. Okay, it's number 9. Just let you go, buddy. Thank you. Oh yeah. Fish right there under that log. Yep. Here, watch. There's this log right here. I guarantee there's so many fish right here. Oh, I was not joking. Watch this. Watch this. Put it right by that log. Oh, I missed it. Oh, so cool. Get over here, away from that log. There we go. Nice. Nice. Hey, that's a decent one. Look at that one. All right. Nice. Thank you, buddy. Oh, there's one again. That's a nice one. There you go. That's a nice one. Oh, that's probably might be the biggest one of the day. Look at that one. That one's nice. Beautiful. Beautiful rainbow. Thank you, buddy. All right, that's probably the best one of the day. It's a good little 13 inches. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you. I see all of you. Watch this. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get one more cast in here. Right against that rock. Drop it down. Thought for sure I was going to get a bite right there. Okay, there's hugging that rock. I'm going to get a drop right there. Ooh. There we go. Nice. 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 Oh. Get my balance on a log. And I have the worst balance ever. Yeah. Woohoo! Alright, that's a pretty one. That's a pretty one. We're going to call it a day. We're going to get a release on it. Get it untangled out of my net. Alright, last one of the day after I got my hands wet. Man, my hands are cold. Thank you, buddy. Alright. He's good to go. That's number 20. I'm going to call it good. My hands are getting a little cold. Gotta pick up my wife. Hey, it was awesome. Get up here at American Fork Canyon. Do some river fishing. Well, I only caught 2 browns and the rest rainbows. But thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Happy Veterans Day.